chance. You ain't got no leads. To understand her is to understand me, and this is close we are. Without a sea, you ain't got no air, and it ain't no walking. You ain't got no legs. Understand, I use their minds to see, 'cause that's how close we are. Heart to heart, breath to breath. She fills me up till there ain't no left, no space, no time. Your spirit's my mind. That's how close we are. That's how close we are. That's how close we are. Without the stars, there's a galaxy, and without the river, you don't have no sea. Just look at my life, and it's her you'll see, 'cause that's how close we are. And without a voice, no one can hear her sing, and it ain't no flying without the wings. So if you see me flying, it's her carrying me. That's how close we are. Ooh, breath to breath. She fills me up till there ain't no left, no space, no time. Your spirit's not mine. That's how close we are. That's how close we are. That's how close we are. She talks with me. She walks with me. She's holding me. She's teaching me everything I can do, everything I can say. She does for me. She prays with me. She cries with me. She's loving me. Heart to heart, breath to breath. She fills me up till there ain't no left, no space, no time. Her spirit's my mind. That's how close we are. 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 Ooh, na 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 na.